Hello people, it's Shazan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as X Token. So let's get started. So the interface looks like this. Here is a big X which represents their theme and other things. So let me tell you what X Token is all about. Decentralized currencies got created to give people more freedom and more control over their assets. But at the same time, it's locking out minorities who can't even afford a computer, not internet access. All of the fees earned by their debts will be used to empower minorities with education. So, technical knowledge and hardware they need. With over 2000 new tokens created every day, their dApps will empower those to grow faster and more sustainable by providing useful tools such as trade bots, telegram bots, vote polls for token holder, and many more. Therefore, X token will be one of the few tokens with a real usage, as X token dApps will be paid using X token. So, what is X token? X token is a frictionless yield generating contract where the token bot will soon be able to spend on dApps. The protocol was launched on May 6, 2021 through on DX sale pre-sale. The token contract employs a static reward system. 10% of every transaction is split into two parts. One of the part is distributed to the holders, while the other 5% is used to fuel the liquidity pool on the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. So the tokens are permanently locked in the LP, effectively reducing the available supply. The token was launched with the idea of creating a community token with a self-generating income mechanism for its owners. So the static reward system is a concept that was pioneered by Reflect.finance, popularized by SafeMoon. It's a great alternative to the usual high APY liquidity farms out there because of its unusually sustainable approach. The reward amount is conditional upon the volume of the token in the marketplace, thus alleviating sell pressure put on the token by early investor. In addition to all aforementioned, the mechanism encourages token holder to hold on to their token in the order to earn taxes from the transaction on the market, which is based upon the percentage specified in the contract and dependent on the total tokens held by the owner. So the holders in this project are 7,369. The market cap raised is 18.4 million dollars. The transfer made had been 16,759. So they are listed on BSC Scan and CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. These are all the social platforms they are available on. Cryptocurrency and crypto token are a high risk investment. The market is volatile and significant price changes can occur in short period of time. Your capital is at risk. Do not spend more money than you can afford to lose. Nice. Disclaimers are always nice. Okay, so this is audited by Desert Finance. It is 100% community driven. Their AMA, here we will find the most frequent question we got asked on our AMA link, so you can check it out here. Apply as influencer. Nowadays every project stand and fall with a degree of popularity. Do you want to support the project? Apply as you can apply here. Let's have a look at the tokenomics. As I have mentioned before, that 5% redistributed to a holder, 5% auto lock in liquidity, and 2.5% goes to the charities. So they empowering people. Decentralized cryptocurrencies got created to give more freedom and more control over their asset. So this is their white paper on their website. Okay, so it is community driven. Every decision, whether it's taxes, fees, or liquidity, will be voted by the community. Rewarding holders. As a holder, you get access to their polls in which you can decide the next action with the new devs. Example, what dApp to develop next, and assisting minorities. As I have talked, that 2.5% will go to the charities. So X token employs an automatic liquidity pool algorithm, which is auto LP. In its token contract, as mentioned above, the network collects 5% from each transaction, whether the order is buy or sell. It goes to the LP. So 5% goes to the liquidity pool. Security of X token. X token is designed to be secure. As mentioned above, their token distribution is one of the healthiest ones currently available, with no more whales controlling outlandish amounts of circulating supply. In addition, the X token smart contract has implemented two important features aimed at the market, making the token fully autonomous and immune to malicious manipulation. Fraudulent blockchain-based schemes running on BSC are rife, and they take steps to ensure the X token is as far from the space as possible. Number one is locking in liquidity, and number two is locking DEF tokens. So why X token? X token differ from the rest of the DeFi crowd because it has a passionate team working full time to fully develop a fully fledged ecosystem of applications surrounding the token. So X token decentralized apps. So they have their own app which you can download. X token is about to build decentralized app helping the token creator, maintainer, and investor alike. They are currently working on Telegram bot vote application where tokens owner can vote the next steps of community driven tokens like X token and many more. That's amazing. Their donation, their roadmap. Let's have a look at the roadmap. So roadmap shows that what this project have done and what are they going to do next. So tasks completed are fair launch on DX sale, the website build up and community setup. The current tasks running around are DXL launch, listing on PancakeSwap, audit by Desert Swap, get listed on CoinGecko. So these are done. The planning, their first community poll is on 50% and listing on CoinMarketCap 50%. But they are listed on CoinMarketCap. I've found it from there. So how to buy? I would show you that in PancakeSwap. Okay, their team consists of 5 dedicated people who are into crypto since the early stages. They always invested, traded, lost, and sometimes also gained some percent until they stumbled upon Binance Smart Chain and then decided to start their own crypto project to dive deeper into tokenomics, code, and market itself. Let's have a look at their coin market cap. As you can see, the price is super low, like 0.00000, a lot of 0 and 184. As you can see, the last 24-hour trading volume is 767,000 and the fully diluted market cap is 18 million. The max supply is 1 quadrillion, and look at the chart. Let's have a look at the all-time chart. So it is the all-time chart. It started on 26th May on CoinMarketCap. After that, you can see, so it's listed today, I guess. So as you can see here, the graph is going up, and it shows a static period here because there is no loss or gain percentage. Its ticker is X token, and the main market people using here is PancakeSwap. So to buy this on PancakeSwap, you just have to click I understand. The token will be fetch up and connect your wallet. Once you connect MetaMask or Trust Wallet, load up some BNB to it, and once you did that, enter the amount for how much BNB you want it. For 1 BNB you get this much tokens, and click swap, and it's all yours. Super easy. Let's have a look at the BSC scan report, which shows that more than 18,760 transfer have been made on 8,575 addresses. You can see the transfer age here. It's super recent. People are getting into this project, buying and selling a lot of tokens here. And let's have a look at the hodlers. So this 24% which is burned, these tokens will increase the scarcity in the supply, and which will automatically increase the price floor of the remaining circulating supply. As for this 16%, these are locked in the liquidity. So I don't see any big whales in the community. As you can see, people don't have that much coin that if they sell it, so it would go to rug pull or just shut down the project. Let's have a look at the PooCoin chart. As you can see, on 24th May, after it have a gain period like till here, then it's sudden drop like here, and after that it regain its position, touches its all-time high here. After that, it have a dip period and it's going up again, so it will make a 45-degree now. If you want to invest in this project, this is the best opportunity because the price is low. As you can see, it come from there to here, and now it's going again up, so it's the best opportunity to invest. Okay, you can see the transfer report here too, so that you can also check it out on CoinGecko. As you can see, in last 1 hour it's been down 20%, as you can see here, because people sold their coin because it has gained 93% in the last 24 hours. So in last hour people sold their coins, and the token price drops to a lot of 0 and 2. so it's the best opportunity for you to buy it because the price is low now and it will rise again and you can earn a lot from it. That was up for their analytics. Let's have a look at their social media. Social media shows that how transparent a project is and what events or AMAs are they organizing in future. I don't see any Twitter here, I don't know why. They have their Reddit where they have 305 members. You can see their post people posting here. So if you post here, if you have anything going on your mind, you can share your ideas and people would comment and answer you and you can know more about know more from them. So they also have a Discord. So if you are a Discord user, you can join this and contact these people and know more about this project and do your research. As for their Telegram, they have an announcement channel here where they have 1218 subscribers. Here you can join and get updated with their recent announcements about different things they do. So that was up for this video. If you are interested in X Finance, so I will leave the website link of it in the description box where you can check it out for yourself. Do some research if you want to invest in it. It's your choice. It's your money. I have just shown you a way how to invest it, and that's all. So if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more amazing projects like this in the future. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.